Do you want to make the women in your life feel wanted and desired? Your partner, your friends, your family members? I want to show you how. If you can do that, you can build that love between you and that person, and especially if they're your partner, you can build that love to last for the rest of your life. I've learned these secrets as I've been in marriage and family therapy, as I'm now in an attachment specialist role, and I'm also a married man myself. And I have daughters, sister, mother, aunts. I have all these women in my life, and I've learned what it is women want and how they can be happy, how you can make them happy. Let's talk about that. What is it? What is it that makes women happy? They need two things. Two things I have learned that are predictors for female depression, but also female satisfaction. Number one, to be loved, to feel loved. And number two, to feel useful to the people they love. Those two pieces. Let's break those down. Number one, what does it mean to feel loved? There's a lot of words for love. Cherish, treasure, adore. There's a lot of love that goes into that. Affection, kindness, gratitude, appreciation. What does it mean to be loved? It means to be valued as a human being, as a whole human being, your whole human essence, not just the things that are about you, your attractiveness. A lot of men make the mistake in relationships of praising women for their attractiveness. And that's okay. Women don't hate hearing that they're attractive. They don't hate hearing, oh, you're pretty. But those are characteristics that fade, right? As attractiveness eventually fades. Women want to be loved, which means valued. Women want to be valued, cherished, respected. How do you do that? Well, you find their really good qualities that they have and praise them for those things that will not go away. You praise them, for example, for their wisdom, their kindness, their affection for others, the goods that they do, the good things they do for other people, for their good insight that they provide. You praise them for their cleverness. You praise them for their mind. You praise them for their heart, mind and heart. Things that are good about their mind and their heart. You praise these qualities. And then you say thank you for them. When they use these in your life, you thank them and you be grateful. And you do things for them, kindnesses in return. Not in transactional ways exactly, but in ways that show mutual care and fulfillment. Because when you love somebody, you want what is truly best for them. Women feel best when they feel like someone wants what is best for them. Go figure, right? To feel loved. It also requires for them to perceive it. So conversations. I love you. I care for you. What's the best way I can do to show that for you? How can I do that? If you're trying to figure it out and you're not sure what she wants and how she feels loved, ask. I love you and I want to show it in ways that make sense to you. Can you tell me some ways that would make you feel loved? What are your top 3 love? No. What's your love language? What is it? Is it acts of service? Is it warmth? Is it time? Is it resources? Is it experiences together? What makes you feel most loved? You treat them in that way and you do what they want. You listen to them. You talk with them. You give them your time. And you just explicitly say, I love spending time with you. It is so great. And thank you for what you're doing. And you care about them as a person. And you do things that are for their benefit. That makes a woman feel loved. Makes a man feel loved also too, but women especially in this case. And then the second part of that, what is the second part of that? Pause. Oh. And the second part of that is to feel useful to the people they love. This comes in with praising those good attributes in their mind and heart and praising those pieces, because it's not about them feeling like a good person and them getting something out of doing that kindness. Women who love with all of their heart, they want to give to those around them. That warmth, that nurturing, that incredible care, that a lot of it can be acts of service, but giving them that opportunity, saying, hey, I really need some help. Could you do this for me? Sharing your needs with them. Women value that tremendously. It makes them feel trusted, and it gives them an opportunity to give to you, not to earn love from you or earn approval, but to give love to you. If they love you, they want opportunities to give that love to you. Sharing your needs with them and giving them a role in whatever you're doing, helping them, and just being honest about what you need. This is great. This is really important because it makes them feel valued and valuable, loved and loving. It makes them feel like they are giving that good to you, and they want to. They want to. Loving, healthy women, they thrive when they can give love to those around them and be useful to them. Be helpful. Be helpful for those people in their missions and their roles and their needs, their hurts, whatever it is. Asking her in and inviting her in and just sharing something that you need. Sharing something that you need. This is crucial. A lot of men miss this because we don't want to put pressure on her. We don't want to say, oh, hey, yeah, do this. And no, you don't need to worry about this. It's fine. I'll handle it. A lot of that messaging pushes it back, pushes them back and says, I don't want you in this space. Inviting them in and saying, yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't have any secrets. And here's what I need. Here's how you can be helpful to me. Oh, it fills their heart to be helpful to you. To be loved and then to give love in return. That's really what this is about. You are creating a circumstance here where she can give love to you and receive your love in return and create this mutually fulfilling circle of love. This is what we call attachment. You're building healthy attachment with her. You are mutually fulfilling each other and allowing her, not just fulfilling her and then making her feel selfish, allowing her to also fulfill you in return. This right here, this is the best way to make women happy in relationships. It's the best way to make them feel loved. And it's the best way to help their mental health because they feel stable, safe, and secure. And they can start taking good, healthy risks. They can open up. They can connect because everything's in line. If you can do these things, the women in your life will benefit and you will benefit. I know that's not what you're here for, but you will benefit in return. Because you will receive their full love as you give your full love to them. And that's what we all really need. So if this has been helpful, women watching this, you probably are wondering what I'm telling other people to do to you. If you're watching this and this is right, leave a comment, say, hey, this guy got it. Dudes who are listening, please watch this and please listen. If I'm off somewhere, if I'm missing something, share what is useful for you. Give us that good data. This is a conversation. Let's keep this going. While you're at it, please like, subscribe. Guys, if you're watching this and some of this was surprising, if it was different for you, hey, I didn't think about it in quite that way before, leave a comment. Ask me some questions. If you need clarification on this, I love getting those questions in my drop down and in the comments. I love having those questions to answer. Let's talk about some of these things. I'd love to do that. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Adam Lane Smith.